kubwatia nigo kurigirigwa n'ibigori byonsi.
Biamono sana mwanchi umuliyeli abigeta seni kia Ndizi TV nebiro binde nendengo kwaligania asomorobilio obwense yoboncherelia helindengo manye na yagendete kokolekana ase sekte yo kondo mwanchi umuliyeli tukulelero nelituko linene kigima astokoteba kurasigeta seni kia Ndizi TV ana asomorobilio obwense yoboncherelia tokoteba nga happy mashujade mwanchi umuliyeli reterene Fridah Kerubo ukwaligani bene linde tobeto gusanga asobwamo nabakwenda gutobwatia sensemo chichi mitandao sensemo ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabaga sensemo ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News sensemo ya website nabagotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net omanchumulie nabogotoma ujumbe yage nkya gwetera sinambirga bas screen yago umanyenga yoko bwati umorobel koruna boigo eshuja yago litkulierero nere yeye nabogotoma ujumbe yage nke tobeto gotoma maiga linda bekako beikera kono manchumulie nabogosanga na intubirengeli byago tumanyenga litukeligalia mashuja kubwatikana nogo konga kubugima. What do you expect korwase serikali agosa sensemo yago manchumuliria Kerubo chingira litukeliga nonyo bugima bwabere bogokonga ana kioro chengi kilioro chikiganetie goncherelia anemona sensemo ya uchumi go manchumulia sanga ninja somorobiliga agocha kabono igagoika omoele kertumaitenga litukeliga no lile mashuja aboncherelia bange babere bakwiboka bokia babere bagokera se chire kegetumaitenga lene chiro ya litukuli chiro ya nyakoe babere bagokera na senseme chumba gendete no boncherelia bwabo boikera nambali bara ase umutimo kase litukeliga bagochingira litukulia bokera bali chinga cyabo nimetemba chiko bagwikera nase chiro bose already babere bagwikera ne chiro kugura ibintu nabo tumanyanga nga kioro chamaguli agende togunchirelia ase chichiro chito mwanchi muligo sanga ninto asomorobiliga elinde tobetu gusanga asobwamo ngo kwaliga ni bibeno mwanchi muligerelia kero kumanyanga kubwatikana komentakana kuligoliria mafuta inki kilioro cheke gendete gonchureria numona se sector yobosombi nimetinga abantu abange babere bago travel kurwa senseme yamugucha senseme inde aneno mononga kertoro chinga gatie chiskuru nchiroro chabere chikofunga igobono nga holiday actually echagete igobono muibolie nyaka nalete konyaga budget kae bona igabana nisikobale budget kuikechi comment kana igumonchumulie sanga nche ontebinga kero watumere to mwana ogefe guchiskuru nki kwaro chikyabete kyugonchererie efe ya mentete igo sanga ncha somorobiliga kero tokende maseye mogo ikam Ense media kabere studio katukumira na nababwatani kurwa sebengia NCBA ababwate omuyiga bukurwa ebyegwa ochia asababwatani bali bago deal no bonia wechigali gasoro gongorwa Gusii nabo bali bago deal ne insurance ababere bako bekenibo yabo asensemo ya NCBA bank mbabete bagotwara umuyiga imiyomo baganyo yo mu imiyomo cyubosongo asokwena na ebyegwa amate mwanchumuliria akera kwakoliri buyasensemo yobonia nimetenga abantu mbaroro babwate high sales yani babere asomwa koyiga babere bakonia asekerengo keigoro mono abo mbake bengia NCBA ekabage kogokiwo mono bakaba bakoegwa ebyegwa ekero bali gochengera oboni gegasorgo ngorwa Gusii mo director trade korase county ya Kisii nabeteka gwikira na senseme nabo igo kwene kyo muyegoyo nabo igo kogokera obokoleri asokubwaterana nebengia NCBA abo babete bakwene kigo sababwatani korase bengeyo mbabete bakwene kyo kubwaterana ne serikali ye county ya Kisii asoko ene kyabuna mbachiko beke merobele mekeranu ase okorenda ogonchereria kwelire omwanchi omoria tobe tokorora ng'a ogonchereria kwelire kwabere gokoreta omochando omonene ase ense ya Kenya naki ekogera ababwatani ao bagendete gwesokia nabo igo koenekia ng'a nkobwaterana bare ase okobeka emeroberi emeikeranu erinde korenda ogonchereria kwelire. Omwanchi omorigereria koreng'ana na omodirector gose omodeputy director karanja korwa chinsemo echi chia NCBA nabete gakoenekia ng'a babere bakobeka enibonge ensemo ani mono ase county ya Kisii ase bagochi kosomia abanto gose korwa amaigerio naki babwenete gosimeka emete naki babwenete korenda ogonchereria kwelire naki babwenete koenekia ng'a biri bituetanaine nkorendo biri omwanchi omorigereria atia tosase ensemo ya kabere ya studio tobe tokobumerana nababwatani abo erinde bakoerera amange.
Members of the fourth estate, thank you for honoring our invitation. The reason why we are here, I'm going to say it in a minute, but let me just introduce myself. My name is James Karika, the Deputy Director in charge of Asset Finance for NCBA Bank. One of the reasons why we are here is NCBA being the leading asset finance bank with a market share of 36%, this has been enabled by having partnerships with various motor vehicle dealers where they are a partner, they are a supporter of the business they do. And so every once in a year, we have patented an event which we call the NCBA Johari Awards. And this evening we are in Kisii region to award our winners and to celebrate the partnership, the warmth and the relationship that we enjoy with all the motor vehicle dealers in this particular region. This event has been graced by our Director of Trading for Kisii County. So we have the blessing of the council to have this event, and we are honored to be in this particular hotel to appreciate the people who have worked with us this journey and who have done us proud. Thank you. So, as a responsible lender, we have been challenged to not only do lending, but to also preserve the environment for our future generations. So, as a bank, we have stepped forward and given our sustainability commitment that we are going to do lending in a clean environment, in a sustainable manner. So we have given 15 commitments as a bank on the things we are going to do. One of the things we promised ourselves as a responsible lender who are taking care of our environment is, number one, we are going to be ambassadors as far as issues of climate change are concerned. Number two, we are going to push green financing. When I say green financing, I mean we're going to push money to support financing of electric vehicles, solar systems, charging systems, so that the levels of CO2 emissions can reduce. Number three, we are challenging ourselves to think of whether you really need to print all the documents that you have in your offices, and so we are promoting think before you print. Number four, we are saying even as we continue to lend, make sure at least you plant 10 trees in your lifetime as an individual, so that as we do business, we can continue preserving our environment. We will continue to participate in events. We will continue to support events that are directly talking to issues of climate change and issues of sustainability as a responsible lender. Thank you very much. 22, NCBA as a bank committed Kenya shillings 2 billion towards financing of electric vehicles. Since then, we have upped that commitment, and we are saying that by the year 2030, we will have pushed Kenya shillings 30 billion into green financing. And so how places like Kisii are going to feel the impact is that, number one, we're going to participate in learnings and seminars that are talking about climate change situations. Number two, we're going to look for partners who are pushing electric vehicles, solar systems, and you're going to back them up with financing so that they can be able to deliver. Number 3, there are a lot of conversations about two-wheelers, motorcycles, and we are receiving a lot of inquiries about whether we can partner with motorcycles that are of electric nature. So we will be participating in financing two-wheelers that are of electric nature. And more importantly, anyway, is that we're going to participate in tree planting activities within this Kisii region so that the impact of our sustainability agenda can be felt. Thank you. Together with the young people, we are asking the young people to organize themselves to then approach the bank through our branch manager in Kisii and our regional manager, David Wasamba, who is with me here, so that then we can organize and mobilize ourselves and support them and give them backing so that they can also get involved in these particular initiatives. And members of the forest, if you know of such organizations, please ask them to reach out to us. We'll be willing to work together so that we can create sustainable change, because it is their future we are preserving. Thank you. It's just good awards in recognition of business directly referred to the bank by the motor vehicle dealers directly in terms of loans that we then disburse. These loans again transform, as our Director of Trade was saying, the livelihoods of the people of Kisii region, where they buy commercial vehicles. This is an agriculture area, so we are able to fund commercial units. We're able to fund schools around with school buses. We are able to fund long haulage trucks. We're able even to fund the working community with motor vehicles. And so we are transforming the community around. And doing so, we do that in partnership with motor vehicle dealers. And that particular change has been very impactful. So these specific awards, they are patented. They exclusively belong to NCBA. As I said, we are the one bank that remembers to say thank you when someone does good to you. And we are grateful to all the support we've received from the dealerships within Kisii region.
Thank you very much, members of the state. I want to say that as a government, we normally grace several occasions, but this particular occasion of NCBA Bank July Award is a unique event because we are now talking about appreciating people who you are partnering with as you grow. I think that is why we are also here as a government, and we want to appreciate, and for the purpose of not only the media, I want to say sincere congratulations to all the winners for the Johari Award. I think it is 17th, and I also want to mention that this is the way to go, because we have 26 banks in Kisii. We have 59 microfinance institutions, and we have over 100 other institutions that offer financial solutions to our people. But I think we have not had one organization that has taken it up and said what we want to do. We want to appreciate our partners. We want to appreciate those people we are working with, and we want to grow with them. So for that purpose, I really want to say congratulations to NCBA. And I also want to appreciate the products, particularly the issue of the climate change financing, the issue of going green, and many other products, which as a government, we are also going to commit to work with NCBA Bank. I think as we progress, we are going to sit down, probably from our department point of view, sit down and see how we are going to develop our working framework that can be sustainable, not only to the bank, but also our people. So I really want to appreciate NCBA for this, and I want to assure you as a bank that as a government, we are going to partner with you, not only on this particular issue of awards, but for the many other products that we have realized you want to venture in, particularly on climate change. Because that's a section, even if it lies in a different department in our government, we as a government are passionate about it. So really, in a nutshell, I want to say these particular awards, and I want to insist, these are unique awards. These are unique events. We have not had an event like this, and therefore we want to challenge even other banks and other institutions that this is the way to go. We want to say this is the way to go for our people, so that again, other than encouraging people to grow, because if you look at, if you have listened to the director here, you have already mentioned that they are leading. When you talk about up to 6% market share, then you are talking about a bank that is doing so well. So they will have started prep and say, fine, we are okay, we are doing well, then we don't have to care about who is doing well with that or not. But I want to say it's the way to go, and I want to assure you as a bank that from our end as a government, we are going to work together, not only in attending the events, but we are going to commit ourselves. Because we have seen the figure you have committed, we will also commit from our end and see how we are going to partner with you, so that at least we ensure that we support our people and we make our people grow, because that is our agenda also as a government. Kova nebengi ya ito ya NCBA Bank. Kova buate omoyegobo gokoa abantu chiawa. Bari babe partner na bara ku Serbia sana. Na abantu na tekata no na mayeta. Abantu abo abanga baito na bakusi baito banga. Igo konta que tengo te banga tora tuara be. Chibengi inchiro na abadali to wate chibengi 26 chibranch to wate chibengi so batuara chi microfinance institute around 58 ntora tuara bengi ego awadi abantu badia okorana bara kubiasa. So we want to say ojaga ko tebana intune serikali nga ekenege entekia, we appreciate na to ko teba kusiba mtu whatever they are ba partner bengi na intune serikali naona mangana abo bangere ba climate change kutukuwata na bara kutunjwa na twakonyira abantu barito na bara ukiba kwa wadi abantu na intune serikali kwata pia
Tiempo Christine Gusii naogopa kasi. Luego tokaria Mashamji angena Dr. Matrix. Lero twabatuka uko alikanya bali tukata barokira kunyara kokonya abantu baito edine banyari gutwara na kuigwa kwa nsubire bali tobo kora na barabo asense moyo ko chiro na asense moyo ko eneki abana biashara baito mabate chini chukua konya ko bengiwe biashara byo na kero moyo ko ojo kunyara ko burero byo yabutarira ko biwega gucira ibyo bali babo tokonya ko kore biashara byo tokubwatira na barabo rero twabaligani twabalinda twarora irinde tunyapanyare ko tokonya takubakonya na yo sieto mutema byo tubwatira mesaje byo na bomugo cha kutare motorore na indu tobakonya mukakora byo kero tobatema mwani byore ebyombe bibate mbiri regulated na central bank ige mukonyora interest cyabo ekiri igoro mukonyora mwe sabanye 10% per month intumu nebengi okonyora tuguchakira ni 16%. Ntuli gocha kugosa kuliri ile tomerenga to twara sokora. Diko ko genda na wasi asekiwe koliyebesa. Incho asotore to kwane tunyare kuchake sabali eli tunyare korora na kitoko mokonya osuke kulwa saamo kuchia sale kya kiwe kile. Interest rate is very friendly. Ere regulated by central bank. Igonto konyora to kugosa bange 50% asumetieni. Say Abina Sumaka, we will do as per the regulations just in
sana mwanchu muligereria abuna bwa bwatani korwa Ense bengi ya NCBA chinga kibale kwana na ebiegwa ochia asense mo yabakoli emirimo gosaba onya bechigali na boiga sense media insurance abo bale gochengera obukoleli bwa bokondo mwanchu mulie korugabo yatore aso aso mutimo komo keigo to skatonyegera ngwe ntore asigi keke Kerubo sio elinde tobe to kumirana na bageni belit kolya lero autora betu gusanga na barabo amange.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Njoro choko ntogeri ganga ngano bwatu mukungo mwamu umugambiere tanyomete.
Because of you.
Me?
I'm warning you.
Patona, uko ngaina nga taenda kuchiana ngarobu gato babesa makonda gari kunya kongolero buyanga ko ebiyango kogolera nchibusi oko ngebese
abakora baguchiba barabasa kwenda kuchialia nyoro moiro musigo na ndachale teshi
njebuna nago taimbo ya nacha kukwana musani wanari
Ai no musani o wacha ukwa.
Tuacha no musani wanari
ndari yantukia mogaka robo sine kebi kiando mira kakita tu manon
aye
Tiga
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi nigo bono yakwanikira ndekerene nego kurengera chibice chinkiya nabo igo chinkeno nukukigima nabo gotonyora asoro gonkor bwogusi neji county chito etanaine buna county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechisemo chinde chinyinge nigo gotonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo onchore irio yao igo iko yenyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV obwensu bw'omugusi. Egera kogendie gari na Sunshine Driving School abuba nchirini kiumbegia NTSA wago tumeke curriculum ya NTSA instructors babo nigo bari certified chigari chikolire maintenance wiya nigo bakurwa basic mechanics mbabu ate birasi bya maambia na boigo bya maragoba nkwegelia bari A2 chipigipigi B1 light vehicle C1 light truck na D1 passenger PSV na wakana ngora boigo mbabuate refresher course na license endorsement onyigo tagete kwegera weekendi mbabuate birasi nigo bare omuchubo sungo Gusii Dulux building lirongo litangani opposite Zonic Hotel chinsage chinde ngamona Nyamarambe na Kenyenya na boko bakresime asichina mbechi. Sunshine Driving School, we fulfill your dreams. Yabu television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura yubunchuria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elio wikere abaligeri kuru county sana na ibire echuchi ya sorogo nkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesime ase namba enoti sana na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo elio togo ikere ugose otutarire ase chiabisi chito echuchi ya nyumba ya Brighton apartment ejire busyo bw'ekiro ya embassy ekero kogende nyakoe. Spexels Opticians abubale si clinic kia gudika imeyo muchukisi nkuru wabare bokorali ao asamangana ya maiso nako ni birore magiga yogo korenga na kumanyu chandu.
Kwa majina naitwa Daktari Sigei, karibuni sana Spexels Opticians Kisii Town. Hapa tunapima macho tukitumia mashine za kiteknolojia za kisasa bila malipo. Tunauza miwani, frames na lenses tofauti na tunakubali kadi za bima.
Chiframe guchakira